Let's see how to delete a picture in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that we want to remove an image in our document. So what we can do is very simple. First, simply click on the picture or the graphic or the image or whatever. And from there, either click the backspace button on your keyboard or the delete button. And when you do that, as you can see, the image will be removed. Now, let's say that we want to delete multiple images. So, for example, right here, we have two pictures. And to select multiple images, we can simply hold the control button and click on the images. And just like that, we can also delete them. And that is how we can delete a picture in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.